you're here is we're going to be doing an in-office whitening, as well as we are also going to be going over some pearls on how to grow your practice and utilizing all the whitening systems that are available today. So I'm going to throw some pearls at you. You might want to take some notes. If you have any questions regarding whitening or practice consulting, you can text me at 847, and I'll put the number up on the screen throughout, 847-477-8761. A lot of sevens. You can also email me at thewhiteningpro@AOL.com. And I'll be happy to furnish any of the pearls and slides that I present today. Now, it was that very same practice that was doing 12 custom trays a year. I went in and I worked with the hygienist. I put the system, I put the menu, and we did those cards in the hygiene bags. And the first month, they did 12 between two hygienists. So it's proven to take those little steps in putting an effective system in place.
Our speaker today is Sherrie Hicks, and her lecture is titled, Does Your Practice Pass the Whitening Systems Test? Sherrie brings a wealth of lecturing experience that has spanned over 25 years with DuPont, Dow Chemical, Monsanto, 3M, Procter & Gamble, GE, Bright Smile, Discus, and Ultradent. Sherrie has traveled nationally consulting practices regarding effective whitening systems. As a courtesy to our speaker, please turn off all cell phones and pagers now.
2011, now get this, 2011 he opened his own practice, a private practice in Vernon Hills, and he is achieving 40 to 50 new patients a month. So I would encourage you, he's going to share his pearls with you, and a lot of it has to do with the whitening that he offers in his practice and implementing his system. He is happily married for 20 years to a beautiful, Also educate the patient on the realistic expectations regarding their shade improvement. You know, the Extreme Makeover had once said that they can get 9 shades on a patient, and it drove the consumers to our dental offices thinking that they were going to walk out with Hollywood white in an hour. But the reality is there's no guarantee for any in-office whitening system out there. And I've done over 700 Bright Smiles and Zoom Advanced Powers, and I will tell you, there is no guarantee on any of them. So, we also want to talk about sensitivity issues. We also want to advise them of the diet that we want them to follow the whitening treatment. Within 24 to 48 hours, we want them to keep their diet relatively bland and clear and white. In other words, no spaghetti sauce, Alfredo sauce. They want a soft drink, not a Diet Coke, but a Sprite or a 7-Up. If they want to have a cocktail, no Bloody Marys, a vodka tonic, or a white wine versus red wine. So we need to educate them that the teeth are very porous, and within the 24 or 48 hours after a whitening, it's important to keep their diet relatively bland. So remember that booth number, it's 4143. Go see those folks. It's under Scientific Pharmaceuticals, and it's New Radiance Forte. There are gift bags in the back with a coupon in them. And, pardon? Oh, absolutely, and feel free to come up and check out the patient for yourself firsthand. Thanks. Thank you.